Welcome back to Auto Legends. Today we are looking at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, the first full production year of Mercedes, taking its luxury philosophy from Maybach and S-Class into a true long-haul house on wheels. Think of it as a penthouse on a silent electric torque platform built to cross continents without feeling like you left your living room. Start outside, and the first thing you register is the stance. This is not a boxy RV with coachwork from a subcontractor. It looks like it was sketched by the same studio that shaped current Gen EQS and GLS. The A-pillar flows into a continuous beltline that soft rounds the roofline instead of meeting it at a sharp corner. The surfacing is tight, panel gaps are Mercedes grade, and the LED signature reads as deliberately premium rather than utilitarian. The glass area is large but visually light because of the dark tint and satin finished frames. You also notice proportion discipline. The overhangs are short for a vehicle this long, and the wheel packaging fills the arches with either polished aero wheels or a darker forged set, depending on spec. The face replaces a normal grille with a gloss black panel that hides the sensing suite and yields a clean EQ family expression. Daytime running lights rake outward, and the lower intake is split only for cooling the battery conditioning loop and the onboard generator side of the hybrid. Doors and apertures are flush, and even the shore power ports are hidden behind soft, close flaps. Power awnings deploy cleanly and integrate lighting so you never see clumsy hardware hanging outside. Even the ladder and roof service points are hidden until summoned. Inside is less show-off and more whisper-quiet wealth. Surfaces look like an S-Class lounge scaled up. Soft touch everywhere, open-pore woods, wool-blend textiles, almost no visible fasteners. The lounge converts with power rails so you never fight with cushions or hinges. The galley is induction only and venting is handled through a hidden spine. The sleeping berth gets acoustic isolation from the lounge, so one person can work or watch while the other sleeps without light bleed. The bath is full height with real water pressure from a smart pump and a grey water heat recovery loop, so you do not kill range every time you want a proper shower. Performance is where this stops being a slow house. The 2026 Motorhome rides on Mercedes' heavy EV skateboard with dual-motor all-wheel drive and a compact range extender gas turbine used only for charging under sustained grade or cold-soak conditions. Instant electric torque launches the mass without drama, and torque vectoring steadies it in crosswinds rather than forcing you to soar at the wheel. Air suspension with predictive road scan preloads corners to prevent roll and pitches the cabin level under emergency braking so dishes do not fly. Braking is mostly region at highway speeds, and the transition into friction brakes is invisible, unusual in a vehicle this large. Range is the usual RV Achilles heel, but Mercedes solves it in layers. The battery pack alone can deliver a typical day's travel for most owners without ever touching fossil fuel. The range extender starts only when the system forecasts deficit. Roof area is packed with high-yield solar that does not try to recharge the drive battery. It is ring-fenced for the hotel load so you do not consume traction energy to live. The result is that you can drive like an EV and live like a diesel coach, without their noise or vibration. Long grades that normally cook transmissions are dismissed because there is no gear set to cook. Driver workload is the other decisive upgrade. You get the same Level 2 plus pilot assist stack you would expect in a flagship passenger Mercedes, lane keeping that does not ping-pong, adaptive cruise that is glass smooth, and trailer logic stability if you pull auxiliary gear. Cameras build a stitched surround that turns this bus-sized form factor into something you can place with surgical ease in fuel islands or ferry corridors. This is what happens when a luxury car company does not outsource the RV part. It is not just an upgraded van. It is a motorhome engineered with the same consistency as an S-Class. If you want to live on the road without sacrifice, this is the new reference point. Subscribe to Auto Legends. More icons next.